Hi Deepak, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi Deepak, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Deepak, could you please show your government ID? Deepak, could you please show your government ID? Bit closer to the camera, please. Bit closer to the camera, please. Bit closer, the details are not visible yet. Bit closer, the details are not visible yet. Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, okay, hold on. Thank you, Deepak. Indrajit, over to you. Thank you, Deepak. Indrajit, over to you.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, done.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, done. Hey, hi Deepak.
Hi,
Good
sir.
evening. Hey, hi Deepak.
Being good, sir. Thank you.
Good evening. How are you?
Being good, sir. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Yeah, okay, can you brief about your experience? Okay, can you brief about your experience?
Sure. Thank you for giving opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you for giving opportunity.
Myself was Deepak, and
right now I live in Noida.
and
about my
right now I live in
background,
Noida.
and
I have
about
done
my
10th and
education
12th from
background.
State Board of that.
I have done 10th and 12th from
Bihar,
State
and
Board of
done
that,
graduation from Bhimrao
Bihar,
Ambedkar
and
University.
done graduation from
And
Bhimrao
about my
Ambedkar
work
University.
experience, I have around a
And about my work
years of the
experience, I have around a 6.5 years of
in
the experience
a
in
Windows Server Administrator,
in
Technical Support
Windows
Engineers,
Server
and
Administrator,
System
Technical Support
Administrator,
Engineers,
and
System
Identity Access
Administrator,
Management, and
and
Office
Identity
365
Access
and
Management,
Exchange Server
and
support.
Office 365 and Exchange Server support.
So basically, I work as
I work as the Standard Chartered Bank
on
of
the
the
project
US
based client.
Standard Chartered
So
Bank
I was
of the US
getting
based
calls,
client.
email chat from the
So I
end
was
users,
getting
and fix
calls,
their
email chat
like
from the end users, and
onboarding
fix
of the
their
users,
like
any kind of the
onboarding
software
of the
related
users,
issues,
any kind
any
of the
kind of
software related issues,
application access,
any kind of
identity access management,
application access,
provide the
identity
end
access
user
management, and
provide the end user
like
access, and
migration of the user from that on-premise
migration
to
of
cloud,
the user from that
application
on-premise to cloud.
installations,
And
application
apart from this one,
installations,
work as that,
and apart from this one, work as that, work as a work as a like a data center management part also, like a data center management part also.
Okay. Yeah, thanks for briefing. Okay. Yeah, let me just go through some interview questions. So on Windows Active Directory. On Windows, so what is your Active Directory? So what is your
Any
level
kind of that objects in Active Directory.
any kind of that objects in Active Directory.
So it will be a generate one of the SID. It will be a generate one of the SID, and it will the unique ID, and so it will not allow to create any kind of the duplication. So it will not allow to create any kind of the duplication in that organization.
What is SID history? So what is SID history? What is SID history used for? What is SID history used for?
SID history used for that, like a suppose that SID history used for that, like a suppose that we have a user, we have that user, sir, and we are going to that like user, sir, and we are like going to that like backup of that like our moving the backup of that, and our Active Directory we are going to restore that user accounts. We are going to restore that user accounts backup. So it will be a backup. So it generated one of that history. So that one generated one of that history. It will be used for that restoring that point. For that restoring that point.
So if you have to update SID history for a user, how you can do SID history for a user, how you can do that?
Sorry, sir.
If you have to update SID history value for a user, how you can do that? Value for a user, how you can do that?
Means we want to update SID. We want to update SID history for that user.
For a user.
No, this. No, this.
Okay. Okay. So let's speak about group policy. Have you done group policy administration?
Yes, sir, group policy administration? Yes, sir, I have done.
Okay. So you don't see you apply group policies only to apply group policies only to compute, not to users. But you want not to use policies, but you want to be applied to users. Anyone to be applied to users. Anyone log into that computer, log into that them computer, right? That policies, user policy should be applied to that users. User policy should be applied to that users.
No, sir.
How you can do
like we want to apply the policy on the computer only, or apply the policy on the computer only, or the user only, both.
Okay.
No, sir. Actually, your question not No, sir. Actually, not putting the answer. Not only sir.
I apply.
Only sir.
I apply the policies only to the OU where computers are residing. Where computers are residing. Okay.
Okay.
So, when a user log in, when a user that log in using any of that computer, user level policies should be applied to the user level policies should be applied to that what setting is required or what setting is required.
So we can redirect the group policy for that one. Redirect the group policy for that one to that particular organization unit which we want to apply.
Okay. So, how would you restore group policy from a backup?
Group policy. We have to go to that group policy. We have to go to that administrative Active Directory administrative tools, and we can restore from there.
Okay. Active Directory administrative tools. So,
Yes.
so administrative tools. There will be a number of administrative tools. There will be a number of
Yeah,
management tools. Can you explain me?
delete the deleted policy.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Deepak. Thanks for attending this call.
Lala.